You know I'm saying, not tryna bother you, just tryna see if you good, what's good be. My babe, for real, you busy. I was just thinking about you, what's good be. I was just seeing what's good. Yes, hello, what? What you want, I was working. My babe, I'm just seeing what you want. You know how my grandma passed, your grandma passed before you were born. Yeah, but it still gets to me. I just was thinking about her and it made me miss you. Why you being like this? What are you on about, bro? I'm saying she was V special. I be feeling the same about you. Are you well? Do you know how weird that sounds? Not in a weird way, like you just get me. You know that ain't a thing if you say it to more than one girl. And I never said that to no one before, but if I did, I might swear she's lying, cause I don't know who that is that would say that. I might swear, but 1 and 2 is still special, no. Comparatively in the world and shit, I'm a beat.